Hello and welcome to this WP inventory tutorial video. In this video, we'll be covering a more advanced usage of the import-export add-on. We've already covered the basics of this add-on in a previous tutorial video, which you can find on the link on your screen right now. And this additional video will be going over how to handle images with the import-export add-on. If we head over to our inventory items and look into one of them quickly, we'll see that most of the fields are simple text, which are easy to manage through a CSV spreadsheet. However, images and media are a little different, as you can't simply drag and drop an image into a CSV, and in this backend you're also able to reorder them by simply dragging and dropping, which is also not something you're able to do in a CSV file. But there is still a way to use the import-export CSV and handle your images so you don't have to go into every one and edit them manually. So we'll head over to the import-export menu item on the left here, and we'll export all of our inventory so we can do a bulk update. Once you download and open the CSV file, you'll see a spreadsheet with all of your fields and then all of the inventory items information in the cells below. We'll see that our Luna guitar that we were just looking at is down here at the bottom. And if we need to do any simple changes, like with the standard use of the import-export add-on, you could just do it here, and when we import, it would be changed. However, the fields we're looking for in this case, for images, are down at the very end. You'll see both image and images, plural. The image field simply takes the first image in the array of the images cell. So we can simply take these out, and they'll be populated automatically once we import. And our item down here at the bottom, the acoustic guitar, we'll see has two links here. We have our HTTP right here, and then a comma separating the other image right here. So in this example, let's say we wanted to make the second image first, and then add a third image as well. So to make the second image first is simple enough. You simply take from the link, including the quotes, and then you can cut it, delete the comma, and then paste it at the front, and add the comma back in. And now, when we import, that other image will be the first in the list, which will make it the primary image that is displayed here in the image column. And to add a new image, the best way to do this is to find the image you want to add over on the internet. We'll just grab a quick image of an acoustic guitar and download it. And now if we head back to our website and head to the media folder, we can drag and drop that image we found right here to upload it. Once we click in, we'll see the link right here. And if we copy that, we're ready to head back to our spreadsheet. We'll add this new item at the end, of course being sure to include the comma and the quotes. However, there's one more thing we need to do. As you see in these other links, all of the slashes have been escaped with a backslash. So we'll need to be sure to do that too, so that the WP Inventory plugin can read the link properly. Perfect. Now that's finished, we'll save our spreadsheet. And then import as we normally do, back at the Import-Export tab. We'll purge all of our inventory items so they're not added again. And then we'll see that it takes us right to the Import tab, since now there's nothing to export. And we'll choose our CSV file we were just editing. Make sure it's set to inventory items, and then upload. If you've watched our previous import-export add-on tutorial video, this screen will look familiar. We'll indicate that our file contains a heading row, ask it to create any categories that don't already exist, and then scroll all the way to the right to make sure there are no red errors, and we'll see there are a few. Let's just choose not to import them. We'll see here are images that all came over correctly. Once we're all set to do not import and there are no more red errors, we can hit import. See that our success 3 records have been imported, and now if we go to view them and we head into the guitar we were looking at just a bit ago, we'll see that all the information there is the same, and if we head down to images, the second image is now the first, and our third image has been successfully added. Thank you for watching this WP Inventory Manager tutorial video. If you have any questions, we encourage you to search through our user documentation on the WP Inventory website, or as always, if you need support, please don't hesitate to reach out to us on the support tab in your WordPress dashboard. Thank you.